What's up, internet folk? Okay, if you have a Payne Furnace, let's see, the model number is what I got. It is a PG92ESA. It's a Payne Furnace, installing a IntelliHeat Mitsubishi split system or heat pump. It's a IntelliHeat coil, but the thing is you need to put this condensate drain in if you're going to drain on the left-hand side, and you got to take out this induced draft blower motor. So it is kind of a pain to take it out, but you got to get an extender. This is I'm gonna say about a 12-inch and a 6-inch. It goes in all the way in the back. There's 5 screws. There's a screw here on the back you have to take out. You got to take out that screw right there at the top there. You got to take out this screw, and then there's another screw here that you got to take out right there to be able to get out the induced draft blower motor, so you can install this condensate drain and put it on the side here. And then comes out these little motor. This is a motor, like a Molex connector. You got to take out or just remove. This whole assembly comes out, and then you can install your condensate drain for your Payne blower furnace or furnace. Yeah, it's kind of a pain, and you got to do opposite to put it back. But anyway, it took me about an hour to figure that out, so I just figured, couldn't see any videos online, and I figured I'd post one for you guys to save you time. Enjoy.